when I got my PMP, it really just opened up the floodgates of opportunities. I remember I started getting emails and calls like, "Hey, we're looking for a project manager," and I'm thinking to myself, I wouldn't get none of these type of calls a month or two ago before I got my PMP. But then one day I sat down and I'm talking to the recruiter and I said, I'm getting a lot of emails and calls, which I know anybody else would be excited and everything. And I was definitely grateful and grateful because you don't understand. Well, maybe you do. When you applying for opportunities and you're not hearing anything back, I mean, it's just crickets. It's so silent. You just thought that you just walked in a room full of people just meditating with headphones on, or okay, maybe that was too far. But listen, family, what I'm trying to say is that one of the biggest things here about the PMP, it does expand your career opportunities. I'm living proof of that. Look, I'm delivering videos on PMP and project management because I got inspired. So what it does, it takes, and holding a project management certification expands your career opportunities by demonstrating that you have the ability to lead and manage projects effectively, making you a valuable asset across industries as well as organizations